Hi, this is the second part of dropshipping video. So now I can share in this video actually how can you keyword research up this Shopify dropshipping. Okay, so why you can dropshipping? So you can dropshipping on Shopify dropshipping. Okay, you can use Shopify marketplace for our dropshipping. Click this Shopify. Okay, you we use Shopify to dropshipping our products, earn money in this platform. Okay, we use this platform to dropshipping. So first of all we need keyword research. Okay, so going to ChatGPT and command this ChatGPT to how to keyword keyword research on Shopify for dropship dropshipping. Icon and enter. And here are some results. You can see keyword research for Shopify dropshipping is not just about SEO. It's about finding buying intent search terms that lead to sales, not just traffic. Okay, here just step by step guide so you can find profitable keywords. Find product and niche ideas. Before you even search keywords, you need seed ideas. Look competitors. Search your niche on Google. Check top Shopify stores. Use tools like MS or Commerce Inspector and check trending products. Okay, check trending products like TikTok, Made Me Beauty, Amazon bestsellers, AliExpress hot products. Spy on ads. Use spy to see which products are running Facebook or TikTok ads. And number two is use free keyword tools. Once you have product ideas, research related search terms, Google Keywords Planner free needs a Google Ads account. Shows search volume and competition. Keyword suggest or keyword server shows keyword ideas directly directly in Google search. Google Trends see if demand is rising or falling. Answer by the public shows questions people ask, good for blog content. Example, if selling a posture character, main keyword posture character. Long tail best posture character for back pain, adjustable posture character for women. Okay. Number three is spy on Shopify competitors keywords. Okay. Use Ahrefs, SEMrush, paid but worth it if serious to check what keywords competitors rank for. If you cannot pay for tools, Google their brand name. Use site.googlecreator.com search to find blog products page keywords. Check product titles and meta description. They often include target keywords. Okay. And number four is focus on buyer intent keywords. Okay, focus on buyer intent keywords. You don't want just browsing traffic, instead target commercial intent. Buy posture character online best kitchen types set to 2025. Problem solving, how to fix back pain at decks. Then each ear product comparison, posture character versus back brace. Okay, apply keyword in Shopify store. Once you have your keywords, Product titles include main keywords plus benefit, adjustable posture character, real or back and neck pins. Meta description have compelling plus keyword plus call to action. Okay. Product descriptions, sprint main and long tail keywords naturally. Collection names, keyword rich, easy. Ergonomic Office Association blog posts rank for informatical keywords to pull free traffic. Okay. Number six is bonus. TikTok and Pinterest keywords research. Shopify SEO. Slow social media keywords can bring faster results. TikTok search bar, type your product name, see auto complete suggestion. These are trading searches. Okay. And on Pinterest, search niches, not the search keywords under the search bar. Okay, and this is only 6 points. I want more. Okay, so you can comment this. I want more ideas. Here you can this ChatGPT suggest more offers. Okay, so now what ChatGPT told got it. You want more keyword research ideas specifically for Shopify dropshipping, so you can find hidden opportunities your competitors miss. Here's a bigger playbook. Dig keywords from your supplier. If you are AliExpress, CG Dropshipping, or Pocket, check their products, titles, and tags. Copy a title, search in Google. Okay. See, people also ask related searches. Example: mini portable blender, cordless blender for travel, USB juicer, smooth maker, etc. Okay. Number two is mini customer language from review. Go Amazon, search your product, read top reviewers, and example phrase of customer use. Those are real search terms. Example for a posture character, reviews might say, I needed something for slouching while gaming. Keywords posture character for games. And number three is use Etsy and eBay for niche keywords. Etsy shows long tail keywords. Shoppers use look at related searches under products. eBay type your niche and see the autocomplete suggestions. Okay. Explore Pinterest trends. Tap into TikTok search data and look at related products. Reverse engineer competition ad copy, local and language variators, and many others. These are only keyword research for you can complete by own keyword research by ChatGPT. So in this video I can show you how can you keyword research on Shopify dropshipping by ChatGPT easily by own keyword research. This is the first part only the keyword research and many parts are available in my channel, so click this video and watch now.